Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Windows 10 headphone issue, not the headphones not working. So before we start, I just want to say to subscribe to my channel for other tutorials on Windows 10, Windows, Fortnite, League of Legends, etc. And now we can start. So this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is connect the headphones to your PC, to your laptop, and right click on the sounds icon. Once you're here, just click on sounds and this should open. Now click on playback and select the headphones in the menu. So for me it's gonna be speakers / headphones, so this is the one, and you're gonna right click on that, right click on the headphones and click on properties. So for me it's the same, just to clarify, for me it's the same speaker / headphones. For you it might be a different one, so you could have one for speakers and one for headphones. So click on the headphones one and right click on it and click on properties. Once you're in the properties, what you want to do is go to the advanced tab, and once you're here, click on default format. So click on the drop down menu and select the last one on the list. Now once you selected it, just click on test and see if your headphones work. If they don't work, just try the different frequencies, the different channels, etc., and see which one will work for you. After you're done, just click on apply, click on yes and okay and okay again, and that's it. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, like and comment.